some of those will be nice.
Morning guys, we're back again for another video. So, i-hotel tour ko kayo dito sa Hana's Hotel. Ito yung Hana Boracay Children's Library. So, pwede kayong magtambay dito, chill, at yung mga kids pwedeng maglaro dito. If may mga kasama kayong kids. Yan. So, pwede nating tambayan dito. At may mga rooms din dito. May room dito sa baba at sa taas. So, punta tayo sa may lobby nila or sa information desk. So, check natin yung gym. So, guys, ito yung gym ng Hana Hotel Boracay. So, pasok tayo dito, guys. So, ito, may gym sila. Pwede tayong gumamit ng mga equipments dito. Yan. So, pwede na ito. At ito yung rules and regulation. At ito yung gym rates nila. So, tara, balik tayo sa hotel. Guys, papasok na tayo ng lobby ng Hana Hotel. So, may wash area dito. At ito yung lobby nila, guys.
Weekend time po for the service 2 p.m. Check out this afternoon. Breakfast po start po siya tomorrow 6:30 in the morning to 10 in the morning po. Pwede po siyang iserve sa room or sa cafe. Cooling cafe located po siya sa third floor. Food is open from 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Kapulad is open for this from 6:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. Outside food is not allowed in the cafe. Kung may corkage fee tayo ng 1,000 po. Bali allowed naman po siya sa room po sir. And then hotel gym is open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily. Kindly inform our front desk in other list the gym to give in a request assistant accordingly. Housekeeping is done daily until 3 p.m. po. Everyday po kami naglilinis ng room. So kung ayaw niyo magpalinis or any request po, dito na lang in the front desk.
Okay.
Clean and stain, broken pictures, lost key card and umbrella will be charged accordingly start 800 po. Depende po yan sa damage and lost item. And in single towels to be kept inside the room. Beach towel are provided in your rooms. We have our hair dryer and iron cloths in the front desk. In-house massage island activities and airport transfer service can be arranged in the front desk. And then we have also laundry services, airport transfer, hotel shuttle service po. And then meron din kami in-house massage po sir. Pwede po siya sa room, pwede po siya sa massage area po. Open po siya in the morning to 12 in the midnight po. And then available po yung menu namin sir. And then today's special po. And then all of the spaces in the hotel ng smoking inviting na designated smoking area po tayo sa labas ng 925 na po kung sa loob. Visit our login till 10 p.m. only after 10 p.m. extra guest schedule update po. And then ito po yung password wifi namin sir. May asterisk po siya sa dulo. Same password or wifi naman po siya.
Okay.
And then magpapasign po ko po sa house po sir.
Okay, thank you.
So, puntahan ko lang yung room namin para makapag-tour tayo. So, kami nasa ground floor lang. So, ito na yung room namin, guys. Manobo.
Guys, simulan na natin yung room tour dito sa Hana Hotel Boracay. Pagpasok, ito yung makikita natin. May evacuation plan at yung house rules ng Hana Hotel. So, dito sa right side, ito yung CR nila. Yan. May hot and cold shower naman. Malinis. May body wash at shampoo. Ito naman yung tubig, malakas. Yan, may mirror. Ito yung toilet, guys. May bidet naman. Try natin yung flush. Malakas naman. Tapos, may bidet. Check natin yung bidet, guys. Okay naman. Tapos, dito tayo sa labas ulit. So, may trash can din dyan. Dito, may towels. Pwede natin ihang yung towel dito. May dalawang towel. May umbrella pa. Tapos, may extra bed at pillow. May table doon. Chairs. Ito yung bed, guys. Tama. Sakto yan sa amin tatlo. Ni Mami at Dad. May TV sila. Cable TV lang, guys. Tapos, ito yung luggage namin. So, pwede natin mag-store ng mga gamit dito, guys. Okay naman yung aircon dito. At may safety deposit box din. Yan. Then, may table ulit dito. At chair. At may konting view tayo dito, guys. Yan lang, sa labas. Yan. And that's it for our room tour, guys.
Tapos na tayong mag-room tour, guys. So, akyat tayo sa taas. Puntahan natin yung cafe at yung pool. May pool sila doon sa taas. Third floor. Yung room pala namin ay nasa ground floor. So ito, second floor. May mga rooms din dito. Yan. So, akyat tayo. Para sa third floor. Okay guys, may free coffee at iced tea tayo dito. Parang may congee din at fruits. Yan. Ito na yung cafe nila, guys. Yung mini swimming pool nila. So, nasa third floor tayo, guys. So, order lang tayo ng breakfast, guys. At kain tayo. Ito na yung menu ng Hana Poolside Cafe. So, post nyo lang, guys, para ma-check nyo yung prices. So, yung free na all-day breakfast, ito lang, guys. long silog, vegetable omelette, at choco banana french toast. So, mag-order kami ng choco banana french toast para kay Natanya. Then, yung sa aming tatlo naman is yung long silog. So, kuha muna tayo ng coffee at juice, guys. Habang naghihintay tayo ng breakfast natin. Guys, ito na yung order namin. Yung French banana toast.
Ito niya yan.
Tsaka long silog, guys. Yan. Tara guys, kain. Guys, tara, kain.
Mangan, garot.
Longganisa. Egg tsaka rice. Tapos kamatis. Try nga natin yung French toast ni Natanya. Okay.
Saan kaya ito na-kuan ba?
So, enjoy lang namin, guys.
Kaya ito na...
At balikan kayo mamaya.
Guys, ito yung view ng Hana Hotel Boracay paggabi. So, ito yung children's library nila. Puntaan natin yung lobby tsaka yung sa third floor na swimming pool at cafe. Ning, ning. Tara, akyat tayo ng third floor. So, ito yung cafe nila, guys. Yan, paggabi. Yan naman yung pool. Guys, nabook namin itong Hana Hotel Boracay for 3,990 pesos. So, two nights na yan, tsaka may free breakfast. At guys, dito na natin i-end ang hotel tour natin dito sa Hana Hotel Boracay. As the saying goes, wander often, wander always, travel with no regrets, and as always, thank you for watching and see you in our next travel.